and rejuvenate them, go vertical so more space is left for road widening, parks, involve the private sector in consultancy, and not only look at them as a source of funding. They should value the global vision, they should value the global experience that the private sector has and tap it to the fullest. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Solomon. And what you took as a warning was not a warning, it was actually a humble request. So thank you very much for taking it. And thank you so much for sharing lovely thoughts with us, and I think we've all learned a lot from it. Ladies and gentlemen, we've moved on from urban planning, need for new approach, which was our first session. We move on to the second session, which will talk about challenges 4G 3R. What exactly it means, it refers to real estate growth, governance, graft, and grievances, and rationalization of regulation and redressal mechanism. This is going to be chaired by Justice Shri S.N. Dhingra, retired member, Competition Commission of India. Definitely one of the most eminent person, the right person to talk about it. The special address then will be taken on by Justice Shri V.K. Gupta ji, ex-Chief Justice, High Courts of Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand. The panelists are Shri Gitambar Anand ji, Managing Director, ATS Infrastructure Limited, Shri J.C. Sharma ji, Vice Chairman and MD, Shobha Developers Limited, Colonel Gupta, Executive Director, Taneja Developers and Infrastructure Limited, and Dr. Arun Mohan, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. On to you, Justice Shri S.N. Dhingra ji. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen present here who had come to attend this conference, my co-panelists, a very good afternoon to you. See, as a member of commission, we all members had been hearing many complaints against the builders, and you see, listening to their grievances, how the sector is misgoverned. And one of the major complaint was that once you become an allotee, your application is accepted, thereafter you become a captive consumer. The moment, you see, if you ask for walking out, your money is going to be forfeited. You see, I realized how, see, this is true after, you see, accepting invitation of this conference as chairman of this session. You see, when I was at the gate of the Vigyan Bhavan, I was informed that session will be late by half an hour. And once I was asked to take the seat, I was informed that now previous session is going on. And thereafter, you see, it is being announced that Mr. V.K. Gupta, Justice V.K. Gupta shall be the speaker, while disappointed by this way the session is governed, he has already left. So, you see, the encroachment and misgovernance at the conference level is this. One can imagine what is the misgovernance at the individual level. When the builder, when the allottees become captive consumers of a builder. You see, we normally tell the consumer that Competition Commission is not a body for hearing individual complaints. And you should go to consumer court. We hear cases when there is market issues involved, and we find that there is abuse of dominance or some major issue which is going to affect the competition in the market. And during all this, the Commission and members and I also felt the necessity of a regulator for this sector. This sector is totally unregulated. It is not that laws are not there. Very good laws are there for this sector, but there is no body to oversee whether the laws are being followed or not. It is not only the time encroachment which I mentioned here. If you see that any project, the encroachment on the rights of the consumer, the allottees, is to a bigger extent than what encroachment I felt here. See, this encroachment is right from the beginning. When you are handed over an application, you are not told what will be the model agreement which he will have to sign. He hopes that laws will be followed, so he becomes an allottee. He thinks that we are living in a country where rule of law is supreme, and if it is not followed, he will go to courts and take remedial steps. The poor boy doesn't know that the doors of courts are not open for the common man in this country. They are theoretically open, but actually the litigation in the courts is so costly that he will have to spend about 25% of the flat amount on the litigation itself if he chooses to. On the other hand, the builder who is to litigate against him, he will litigate on the basis of money collected by him from the same allottee. He will engage most costliest advocate on, paying him money out of money collected from him, showing him as expenses, and fight against him. See, I was reading a judgment of Consumer Court where I found a Chinese proverb quoted. This judgment is a recent judgment of 13 September 2012, Classic Homes Apartment Buyers Association versus Buildmore India Limited. And the judge has quoted, "Go to law for a sheep and lose your cow." This is how the courts function. And this is actual pain shown by the judge that when you go to court, it takes about more than 10 years in settling any dispute, even a normal dispute. Regulator is necessary. See, while dealing with the cases, I had opportunity to go through laws of Haryana. See, and I found that Haryana has made one